Welcome once again to Juiciest Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to you. So today, guess what we're making? We're making some chofi. Yes, we are making chofi, but today it is going to be a little bit on the healthy side. I am not frying. I'm not deep frying actually. This is going to be oven fried. And the marinade is going to be simple. So if you made that rainbow sauce that I shared the recipe with you, then yes, you're good to go. If you didn't and you haven't seen the rainbow sauce recipe, I am going to attach a link to that right here so you can go and get that. And that and salt is all the seasoning you're going to need for this oven fried chofi. And trust me, boy, it is so good. It is so delicious. And we are having it with some fried yam. And I am going to make a separate video for the fried yam as well. It is very simple. Of course, if it wasn't for the fact that we were oven frying this, so it stays in the oven for quite a while, this would have been one of your 30-minute meals. But it's still a meal that you can make on a busy day. Just put this in the oven and just, when it's almost done, you fry your yams and good to go. And you will be having some yumminess. Anyway, let's do some cooking. Like I said, all you will need for this amazingly delicious turkey or chofi recipe will be your turkey, which I have wings and tails or butts, and my rainbow sauce, which is from the fridge. You could make a fresh batch or from your freezer, whichever you use is perfect. And of course my salt. So I started by trimming the fat off my turkey tails. Yeah, chofi, correct one. Like I said, this is the real chofi, and so I want it to be as clean from the fat as much as I can. So I am going to be doing that. Give it a good wash and we will be good to go. So I'm done trimming the fat, and at this point I have washed my meat as well, and I'm transferring them into this bakeware. And I think it still has a little bit of liquid, so I'm going to pat it dry with a paper towel. And then I'll add my salt, and of course it's up to you how much salt you want to put in there. But remember that rainbow sauce already has some salt in it, so be mindful when you add in your salt. And now I'm going to add this bomb of sauce, this sauce of life, this amazing rainbow sauce. Yes, it is so good. And it smells divine, and so you know your meat is gonna be on point. Yes, so I'm smearing it on it. Yes, me this srano fast srano. I'm not who say a kumu yet. Let it be so packed on your turkey that it's gonna be just amazing, delicious. And that is exactly what I'm doing now, making sure every part of the turkey is covered. And after that, I am covering it with a film, because I'm going to let it sit in the fridge to marinate. You could do it for as long as the day, but I'm doing it for just 3 hours today, and it will still be good. And after the 3 hours, I brought out my meat, and it is ready to go in that oven. Just look at how beautiful it is. I can't stop talking about that. I'm sorry, but I have to. And my oven, I have preset it for 360 degrees. And this I cooked for a total of an hour, and it came out amazingly good. And so after an hour, look at how it's after the first 40 minutes, look at how it's looking. And I am going to flip it over just like that, so the bottom side can get a chance to cook too. You see, it is frying in its own juices. So it is going to be fried, but still soft. And of course healthy, and that is what we aim for with this recipe. And after the extra 20 minutes, just look at how good this is. Beautiful, smells amazing, looks delicious. Look at that real chofi, you know, the real deal. Just beautiful. And this was so good. We really enjoyed it with our fried yams. I just garnished with some peppers. Like we don't have enough pepper going on in the meat itself, but hey, color. And it was amazing. We enjoyed it. And I want you to try that. So if you don't have that rainbow sauce recipe, make it because it goes with everything. It's a perfect marinade for a lot of stuff. And our fried yam deal was delicious. And I have the recipe for you as well, which I will link. So until I come your way next time with something delicious like this, be loving, be kind, and be happy.